This video will demonstrate two probability rules, addition rule 1 and addition rule 2. We are beginning with a table that has data on it about some meals. When you choose a meal from here, you can have a drink and a sandwich. And so you can have coffee, milk, soda, and then burger, chicken, tuna sandwich. So we're going to choose a meal randomly. And the first question they're asking us is, find the probability of choosing chicken or tuna. So this is an example of addition rule 1. And addition rule 1 says when you ask the probability of event A or event B, you can add the two probabilities together if these events are mutually exclusive. And mutually exclusive means that the events cannot happen at the same time. So we've already said that a meal consists of a drink and a sandwich, and you can only have one kind of sandwich. So chicken, tuna are mutually exclusive of each other, and so we're going to be using addition rule 1. So the way we'll be working this problem is, we'll be asking ourselves, what's the probability of choosing chicken or tuna? And we're going to find the probability of chicken, and then we'll just add it to the probability of tuna. Now you have to look at the table to get the probability of chicken. What you do is you look back up here, and this column is the chicken column. So there's 14 chicken sandwiches, people that have chosen chicken, and the 50 is your total. So the probability of choosing chicken is 14 out of 50. And then the probability of tuna is 6 out of 50. So when I come back down here, this probability is 14 out of 50. This probability is 6 out of 50. When you add fractions, you need a common denominator, and we have one. It's 50, and then you just add the numerators. So it looks like the answer is 20 out of 50, and then you could simplify that to 2/5 if you wanted to. The next question is going to demonstrate addition rule 2. Addition rule 2 is used when the events that you're talking about are not mutually exclusive. In other words, they can happen at the same time. And so the question here is, what's the probability of selecting a meal that has soda or chicken? And apparently you can choose soda and at the same time choose chicken, because when you look at the table back here, there are some people right here who have chosen both soda and chicken. And what we want to do is try not to double count those. So when we look at the soda, and there's a total of 25 here, and then when we look at the chicken, and there's a total of 14 here, we have to make sure that this 8 doesn't get double counted in both places. And so what we're going to do is use addition rule 2 and take care of that. So I'll write this down here a little lower. Addition rule 2 looks like this. Whoops. Good one. So this is going to be the probability of soda. This is going to be the probability of chicken. And then we're going to make sure that we take away the probability of both once, because we're trying not to double count. So we're going to come back up here one more time and look at the table. The probability of soda is the 25 out of 50. The probability of chicken is the 14 out of 50, and we're going to subtract away the 8 because we've double counted it with the 25, and then we're also counting it with the 14. So we just want to take it away once so we don't double count it. So in this rule right here, this is 25 out of 50. This is, the chicken was 14 out of 50. And then we're going to take away where they overlap, where they're both happening. So 25 plus 14 is 39, and then 39 minus 8 is 31. So the answer is 31/50ths.